Ready to ditch the cable box and unlock a world of free live TV on your Samsung Smart TV? First, grab your Samsung Smart TV remote, the key to accessing your entertainment kingdom. Navigate to the Apps section on your home screen. It's usually found towards the bottom or side of the screen. Once in the App Store, use the search bar to find Samsung TV Plus. This comes pre-installed on most new models. If you don't see it on your home screen, simply download and install the Samsung TV Plus app directly from the App Store. Click the Install button. Once installed, open the Samsung TV Plus app. It'll automatically scan for available channels. Browse through the channel guide. You will find a wide variety of channels, from news and sports to movies and entertainment, all for free. You can add favorite channels by selecting it from your list. Press the Select button on the remote to save the channel. Explore other live TV streaming options by searching apps like Pluto TV or Tubi in the App Store. Install and enjoy.